starting with number 10, Madison Square Garden. We are watching the shares of this company, which are rising in the pre-market after the company was raised to neutral from a negative rating as Susquehanna with a 12-month price target set at $39. Dom?
Yeah, number 9, Betty's Immunogen. The Massachusetts-based pharmaceutical developer is rocketing up in the pre-market after its technology has been licensed for a drug that's been clinically proven to extend lives in a cancer trial. Watch those shares. Josh.
Number 8 is Best Buy. We're watching shares of the giant electronics retailer as the company and founder Richard Schultz have just reached an agreement that allows Schultz to go forward with his attempt to take the company private. Betty.
And IBM, the information tech company, agreeing to buy Connexa, a provider of recruiting and talent management solutions, for about $1.3 billion in cash. IBM says the deal will boost its social business initiatives that just announced moments ago. Julie.
Number 6 is RIMM, Research in Motion. We're watching shares of the BlackBerry maker. They're rising in the pre-market, as you can see, as the potential ban of Samsung phones could create opportunities to regain its share in the cell phone market. Josh?
Number 5 is Tiffany's. Shares of the luxury jewelry retailer have surged here in the pre-market. It's after the company reported a drop in sales that was smaller than the average analyst estimate as slowing tourist spending hampers sales. Betty.
And another acquisition this morning, M&T Bank, which is the Buffalo-based bank, counting Warren Buffett as one of its largest investors, expanding in New Jersey with a nearly $4 billion purchase of Hudson City Bancorp. Hudson City was the largest U.S. bank to forego a government bailout.
And Betty, number 3 is car rentals, right? We're talking Hertz. We're watching shares of the car rental company after it finally struck a deal to buy Dollar Thrifty after 5 years of trying to complete that deal. The purchase will cost Hertz about $2.5 billion, which is more than double an offer it made just 2 short years ago. Jules.
Number 2 is AOL. We're watching the web service company. It announced a $600 million accelerated buyback agreement. Not just that, also a special cash dividend of about $5 a share. The company seeking to return over $1 billion total to shareholders. Betty.
And you can imagine our number 1 stock this morning is Apple. The iPhone maker won a $1 billion verdict from Samsung in a patent infringement case. Very critical for the company. Some Samsung products may be banned entirely from the U.S. market, which could give Apple a larger smartphone market share. And Samsung, by the way, those shares are down the most in 4 years based on that verdict.